The odds of a successful hire are the same as flipping a coin. 46% of hires fail within 18 months, and only 11% for lack of skills. Why? The vast majority of hires are made using gut instincts, rules of thumb, and traditions. The current method of hiring works well to identify skills, experience, and likability. While important, they're not good predictors of job success. Tech 360 takes a different, more effective approach to IT staffing by applying predictive hiring analytics, a scientific, data-based approach for hiring for fit. We can accurately predict which contractors or direct hires have the greatest chance of success and the highest probability of being top performers. Top companies like Google and Apple are gaining competitive advantages using predictive hiring analytics. Our approach takes no more time than your current process, and the good news is you don't even need to predict accurately. You just need to predict better than your current hiring method. Marginal improvements in hiring have a significant impact on your bottom line. We use two patent-pending processes to identify and analyze the key drivers and predictors of job success, and assess and rate candidates against those ideal benchmarks. Our predictive model is backed by over 100 years of research, and all variables are statistically validated and scientifically proven to predict job success. At Tech 360, we know how to determine and only submit the right tech talent.